I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Prism Cement versus Ultratech Cement. We will delve into their distinct offerings, strengths, and market positions to help you make an informed decision for your construction needs. Ultratech stands as a global leader, boasting a massive production capacity and an expansive reach across India and internationally. Prism, while a strong regional player, is recognized for its premium quality in its core markets. Let's explore what each brand brings to the table. When it comes to product variety, both companies provide essential cement types. Ultratech offers ordinary Portland cement, Portland pozzolana cement, and Portland blast furnace slag cement, with OPC available in 3 common strength grades: 33, 43, and 53 megapascals. Prism Cement also provides a comprehensive range of Portland pozzolana cement under various brand names, alongside their ordinary Portland cement, also in 33, 43, and 53 grades. These grades are crucial, signifying the cement's compressive strength after 28 days. Delving into features, Ultratech is highly regarded for its robust compressive strength, exceptional durability, and low permeability, making it ideal for demanding projects like skyscrapers and marine constructions. Prism Cement, on the other hand, prides itself on exceeding industry standards, providing superior one-day strength, improved workability, and strong chemical resistance. Their products are well suited for foundations, beams, and roof slabs. Notably, Prism also demonstrates a commitment to sustainability, utilizing a significant waste heat recovery system and solar power at its plant. In terms of market presence, Ultratech is a colossal entity, with a production capacity exceeding 154 million tons annually and a vast distribution network covering over 80% of India. They are also India's largest cement exporter. Prism Cement, while regional, holds a significant position in central India with an installed capacity of 5.6 million tons and a robust dealer network of approximately 2,500. Ultratech offers widespread availability and a comprehensive solution, whereas Prism provides premium quality within its focused geographical areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.